Hi everyone. In this session we will discuss about a Boolean wrapper class. The Boolean wrapper class is one of the wrapper class to convert the values which are represented in the form of Boolean data type true or false or 0 or 1, yes or no, those values. This is having the constructor as Boolean is the constructor name, that is class name, similar to the method name, then which is receiving the argument as a boolean value. That boolean value will be true or false. Likewise, here one more constructor boolean which is receiving string as a input. The string will be having the value like true, right, here or false, okay, inside the double quotes. And here the true or false can be given as uppercase or lowercase, anything may be given. And here the this is the example converting the primitive data type into the wrapper by automatically, that is called autoboxing, right? So here you see we are giving the input as a integer primitive data type. Here primitive data type double input 100.12. then you see we are just passing the value of integer. Then you look at that integer dot value of a converting into object by using the wrapper class. Then that value is stored in the object which is representing the wrapper class integer. Then here double is the wrapper class which is receiving the argument as a double value here 100.12. then that is stored in the object 2. Now we are checking object 1. Object 1 is instance of integer. It will return true or false, right? Yes, you look at that, this is the 10 integer values. Yes, after we have converted here, okay, we have converted that value into integer. Yes, the object 1 is instance of the integer wrapper class. Then it will return true. Once it is returning true, this statement will execute. If it is false, then the statement will not execute, right? As of this context, object 1 is belonging to integer object, so integer instance. So the object 1 is instance of integer which is returning true, then its statement is executing. So this statement is having an object of integer is created. Then one more if condition is given, just we are checking this object 2 is instance of the wrapper class double. You look at that, object 2 is instance of wrapper class double. Yes, it is true. Once it is true, then this statement will execute inside the if condition. So an object double is created. Suppose if you want to give any more statements here, you can add as per the user's requirement. So here this is called autoboxing. Primitive data type is converted into wrapper class object. Then here wrapper class object is converted into primitive data type, that is called unboxing technically. So here we are giving the integer primitive data type value and converting into wrapper class integer object, okay, wrapper class integer object. So this is called unboxing. Now you see this is having the object value. A is the object, that is wrapper class integer object. Then converting into primitive data type value by using the method int value. Then converted primitive data type value is stored in the primitive variable I. Then here you see this is manually we are performing the conversion operation, that is called explicit operation, okay. But here you see directly I am assigning the object. A is the object, directly I am assigning to the primitive data type. So the compiler internally it will convert that object into primitive data type value, okay. So here this is done internally by Java virtual machine, okay. But here in this statement we are doing manually by using the method. And here we are printing those values. Here first I am printing the value which is stored in the object in this statement. So which is printing the value here 3. Then next I am printing the value here, converting the integer object value to primitive variable. This statement using the manual code, using the method. So that is I, which is storing the value. That is also, you see that 3 is stored here. Then I am assigning the object value to the primitive variable. So here internally the Java virtual machine is transforming that object value into primitive data type. So here that is converting integer object value to primitive variable internally, right? The J value is printing in the third statement. That is also given here. So like this we can unbox the values by converting wrapper object into the primitive data type values. Thanks for watching.